Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Master Class with Tapas. This is the place for new age management skills and lifestyle tips for budding managers like you all. So, today's topic is how to make a great presentation at workplace or anywhere else. Once you start giving presentation to the others, this will create your brand value too. So watch the video till the end and subscribe to my channel Master Class with Tapas for the latest management tips. A presentation is a means of communication that can be adapted to various speaking situations such as talking to a group, addressing a meeting or a briefing, etc. Let me share some of the points that will make to help you a good presenter. So let me start. When it's come to giving an engaging presentation that leaves a lasting impression, it is not just about the content, it is about how you deliver it. Wondering what makes a good presentation? Well, stick to this video. Well, the presentation that can be seen must have the 10 great qualities. Number one, clear structure. No one like to get lost in a maze of information. Organize your thoughts into a logical flow, complete with introduction, main point, and a solid conclusion. The structured presentation help your audience to follow along effortlessly, leaving them with a sense of satisfaction at the end for them and for you also. Regardless of your presentation style, a quality presentation start with a clear roadmap. If you can see the clear instruction that you should be able to talk through them that aligns with your content and presentation goals. A template with a logical layout that includes section for introduction, main points, supporting information, and at last the conclusion. Engaging opening. Hook your audience right from the start with an attention-grabbing statement, a fascinating question, or maybe even a captivating anti-note. Set the stage for a clear presentation. The opening moment of your presentation hold immense power, and to start with your presentation to set a tone and a captive to your audience. Relevant content. Make your content aligns with your interest and needs. Your audience is there for a reason and to get a valuable insight. Avoid fluff and get straight to the point. Your audience will be genuinely excited to hear about you. Then effective visual aid. Picture this with a slideshow or a wall of text or a tiny chart. Visual aid should be just adding to your presentation. Opt for a clear and concise, visually appealing slide, engaging images, and informative charts that add value and help to reinforce your message to the audience. Clear and concise communication. Keep your language simple and avoid jargons and complicated terms. Communicate your ideas clearly so your audience can easily grasp and retain the information being conveyed. This can prevent confusion, enhance the overall effectiveness of your message. Then engaging delivery. Spice up your presentation with a sprinkle of enthusiasm, maintaining eye contact, use expressive gesture, and vary your voice tone to keep your audience glued to the edge of their seat. A touch of charisma goes a long way. Then interaction and audience engagement. Turn your presentation into an interactive experience. Encourage question, foster discussion, and maybe even throw a fun activity. Engaged audience are more likely to remember and embrace your message. Transform your slide into an interactive presentation with dynamic features like pops up, clickable icon, and animated elements. Engage your audience with interactive content that lets them explore and interact with your presentation for a truly immersive experience. Effective storytelling. Who doesn't love a good story? Weaving relevant anecdotes, case studies, or even a personal story into your presentation can captivate your audience and create a lasting impact. Stories build connection and make your message more memorable. A great presentation background is also essential as it sets a tone, create visual interest, and reinforce your message. Enhance the overall aesthetic of your presentation with some of the presentation skills or the background that you can check from Google's too. Well timed pacing, the pace of representation, thoughtfully well designed presentation slide, neither rushing nor through dragging it out. Respect your audience time and ensure you cover all the essential points without losing any interest of your audience. Strong conclusion, lasting impression lingers. Summarize your main point and leave your audience with a clear takeaway. End your presentation with a bang, a call to action or inspiring thought that resonate long after the conclusion or the presentation. In-person presentation aside, acting a virtual presentation is of paramount importance as we are all working on a hybrid model. So you can have to give a presentation in a physical form or through the online. Practice, practice, and practice what makes you perfect if you are giving a online or offline presentation. Before going for a presentation, take a mock drill, go to a room and talk to yourself and make the presentation to an empty wall maybe. Seek feedback and necessary adjustment make. Don't afraid to be asked for help and seek feedback from your friend and colleagues. Constructive criticism can help you to identify the blind spots and the fine tune your presentation to perfection. With the real time collaboration, receiving the feedback and editing your presentation is a seamless process if you want to learn the art of making good presentation. Group members can across and work on the presentation simultaneously. You can edit the content of your presentation beforehand. Changes will be reflected immediately on your presentation slides. Prepare for a potential technical and logical issues. Prepare by unexpected checking of your equipment, internet connection, any other potential hiccup that you have to be careful while making a presentation, whether it's offline or a online. Remember to be focused and rehearse potential answer the anticipated question that you might be getting from your audience. Fine tune and polish your presentation as the big day approaches. Give yourself presentation one last time. Review all your points. Practice how to present a presentation and make a final tweaks. Deep breath. You are on the brink of delivering a successful presentation. In the competitive environment, persuasive presentations set the individuals and the organization apart. To brush up on your presentation skill, read some books related to the presentation skills available on Google and try to remember those effective presentation points that I have shared in this video. So friends, if you all like my thought, give my channel a huge thumbs up, share it, comment it and subscribe to my channel Masterclass with Tapas. Visit my website in the same name Masterclass with Tapas with lot more blogs, videos and photos. So till I meet next, bye for now and wishing you a very happy and safe Holi. Thank you. Take care.